Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your Stalker 2 controller is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. The first solution is press the Window plus R key, type joy.cpl in the run command and press the OK. In the game controller section, check the status of the controller. If your controller is not appearing in the game controller window or status doesn't indicate OK, you might be facing connectivity issue. So fix this and check your problem. Next solution is go to the start button and type your device manager and search here human interface. Right click on it and scan for the hardware changes. Click on it and find and right click on the controller and select update driver. You will be the promoted to choose your method to the searching for the driver software. Depending on your preference, you can update your controller either automatically or manually. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is persist, then try next. Next solution is again press the window plus R button and type here msdt.exe space slash id device diagnosis and click on OK. In the advanced section, confirm the changes and enable troubleshooting, identify and resolve any problem. After doing this step, check your problem. If it is persist, then try next. Next solution is check any update related to this problem on the official website or social media Twitter handle. If found anything related to problem, then wait to fix this problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.